Hello everyone, this is Grant Fine. I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're about to go explore the 8119. This is the beautiful gym, so let's take a look at it. The gym is delightful. On the right here, we've got some really nice dumbbells, we've got some kettlebells, we've got a full machine that has arm and leg options there for weights. We have a press machine here. We have a lat pull down here. We've got a leg press here. We do have other machines. We've got some beautiful ellipticals here too, treadmill as well. And then we've got a Stairmaster and we have a spin machine here. We also have a very nice lawn. So the lawn, you can work out here on the lawn. Very, very nice. Really pretty area that's here. So you can also see we've got some additional things. Very, very nice. Not at your typical apartment. So we're going to explore this actually in a separate video. It's so big. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you'd like to set up a virtual live tour or an in-person tour, send me a text. I can set that up as early as today.